Oh, wait a minute. Here comes Adam Bomb.
Don't take that, Harvey Whippleman.
Hey. Oh, no. Look at this.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Get ready for another WrestleMania moment right here.
Wait a minute. Here comes Earthquake from behind.
Look out from behind.
Oh, Earthquake hammering Adam Bomb. Howard Finkel runs for cover. And Earthquake, did you see what he just did to Adam Bomb?
Yeah, jumped in from behind like a backfighter. A gutless coward.
Look at this. Earthquake with Adam Bomb now. And a huge power slam. Unbelievable. What?
Oh, no.
The Tremors are starting here in Madison Square Garden. Look out, look out. It's the big one.
Oh.
It's the big one. Whoa.
Well, what do you expect? You got jumped from behind.
Here is your winner, Earthquake!
Yokozuna is standing by, so we are told. But ladies and gentlemen, the Earthquake has almost set a record here in Madison Square Garden.